Imagine waking up one day and realizing that everything you thought you knew about Earth was only the surface. Beneath our feet, above our heads, and deep within our planet's history lie secrets so strange, so mysterious, that they challenge the very way we understand our world. This is not your typical science video. This is a journey through time, space, and ancient knowledge. The kind of knowledge that's been buried, forgotten, or perhaps even hidden. And here's something to keep in mind. The most mind-blowing secret is saved for number one. So make sure to stay until the end, because it's something that might just shift how you see the world forever. This is No Way, and these are the top 10 hidden secrets about Earth you probably never knew. The Earth isn't exactly round. You've heard Earth is a sphere, but in reality, it's slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. This shape has a name, an oblate spheroid, but it gets stranger. Because of this bulge, the summit of Mount Chimborazo in Ecuador, not Mount Everest, is actually the farthest point from the Earth's center. That means if you wanted to be closer to space while standing on Earth, you'd go to Ecuador, not Nepal. Why? Centrifugal force caused by Earth's rotation. It flings out mass near the equator, creating the bulge. But here's where the mystery deepens. Ancient civilizations, like the Sumerians, and even the Mayans seem to know about this bulge. Long before satellites did they just observe it, or did they know more than we give them credit for? 9. Earth's core might be spinning backwards. Buried beneath 2,900 kilometers of rock and metal lies Earth's core. For years, scientists believed it spun in sync with the rest of the planet. But a 2023 study revealed something shocking. The inner core may have recently slowed down, or even reversed direction. This might sound like sci-fi, but seismologists observed changes in how earthquake waves travel through Earth, and the patterns suggested a change in the core's rotation. But what does it mean? Some theories suggest this could subtly affect Earth's magnetic field, or even climate, and no one truly knows what happens if the core stays reversed for long. Has this happened before? Is it a natural cycle, or a sign of something bigger? 8. There's a gigantic ocean. Beneath the ocean, deep beneath the surface, far below the crust, scientists have discovered something astonishing. A vast reservoir of water 3 times the volume of all surface oceans combined. It's hidden inside a blue rock called ringwoodite, trapped in Earth's mantle 700 kilometers down. This discovery changes everything we know about Earth's water cycle. Could this be the true origin of Earth's oceans? Or is it a backup, a fail-safe hidden deep within the planet? Ancient flood myth, from the Bible to the Epic of Gilgamesh, speak of water emerging from the deep. Maybe they weren't just stories. 7. Earth's magnetic field flips. And we're overdue. Every few 100,000 years, Earth's magnetic poles flip, north becomes south, and vice versa. The last full reversal was 780,000 years ago, but partial and temporary shifts have occurred since then. Scientists believe we might be on the brink of another flip. The South Atlantic anomaly, an area where Earth's magnetic field is weakening, is growing. This field protects us from solar radiation. Without it, satellites could fail, animals could lose navigation, and radiation could rise. What if the field disappears entirely for a few centuries during the flip? Would Earth's surface still be safe? Or are we heading toward a magnetic blackout? 6. Earth once had 2 moons. A bold theory suggests Earth had 2 moons billions of years ago. The smaller one may have crashed into the larger, forming the rugged terrain we now see on the far side of the moon. This could explain the moon's asymmetry and mysterious crustal differences. But here's the twist. Ancient texts and myths, from India to Mesopotamia, speak of a time when there were 2 lights in the night sky. Was this ancient memory or imagination? Or were they witnessing cosmic events we're only now starting to understand? 5. The Sahara was once a lush paradise. It's hard to imagine, but just 6,000 years ago, the Sahara Desert was green, full of lakes, grasslands, and animals. Known as the African Humid Period, this era supported human civilizations. But something shifted. Climate patterns changed, the rain stopped, and within centuries, paradise turned to sand. What caused the change? Some blame gradual orbital shifts. Others hint at cosmic influences. Could this happen again? Could today's fertile regions become tomorrow's deserts? And more eerily, could ancient desert ruins hold lost knowledge of a world forgotten? 4. Earth has a hidden continent, Zealandia. Most people have never heard of Zealandia, but it's a nearly submerged continent hidden beneath the Pacific Ocean. Covering almost 5 million square kilometers, Zealandia was once part of the supercontinent Gondwana. Today, only parts of New Zealand and a few islands peak above water. It was only officially classified as a continent in 2017. How could something that big remain unknown for so long? Maybe Earth still holds more land masses beneath its oceans? Maybe we haven't mapped the world as well as we think. 3. Earth hums, and we don't know why. There's a strange phenomenon scientists call Earth's hum, a low-frequency vibration that resonates through the ground, even without earthquakes. It was first recorded in the 1990s, but may have been present long before. Theories range from ocean waves to atmospheric pressure, but none fully explain it. Some even compare it to a pulse or a planetary heartbeat. If Earth is alive, in some way we don't yet understand, could this be its voice or a signal we've yet to decode? 2. Time is slowing down on Earth. Our days are getting longer, not by much, just about 1.7 milliseconds every century. But over millions of years, that adds up. 600 million years ago, a day on Earth lasted only 21 hours. What's causing it? Tidal forces from the moon gradually slow Earth's rotation. But here's a deeper question. What happens as this continues? Will a day eventually last 30 hours? Narpada? And what if the moon were to drift far enough away that Earth's rotation became unstable? Ancient prophecies speak of a day with no night. Maybe they weren't just metaphors. 1. Life on Earth might not have started here and now. The secret we saved for last, the one that could change everything. There's a theory called panspermia, the idea that life didn't originate on Earth, but arrived here from space, on comets, meteors, or even alien microbe ships. Evidence? Organic molecules have been found on comets. Bacteria have survived the vacuum of space in experiments. And extremophiles, life forms that thrive in boiling acid or deep-sea vents, show that life is incredibly adaptable. But ancient texts go further. The Dogon tribe of Mali spoke of stars invisible to the naked eye, long before telescopes. Sumerian tablets describe beings from the sky seeding Earth. So ask yourself, is Earth truly the cradle of life, or just a garden that was planted? Earth is not just a rock floating in space. It's a living, changing, mysterious world, full of forgotten truths and unanswered questions. Some of what you've just heard might seem unbelievable, but the beauty of mystery is that it invites us to look deeper, ask more questions, and never settle for the surface. If you found even one of these secrets mind-blowing, imagine what else is out there, waiting to be uncovered. Subscribe to No Way for more journeys into the unknown. Like, comment, and tell us, which fact surprised you most? Or, do you know a secret about Earth we didn't mention? Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep your eyes open and your mind even more, because sometimes the world isn't what it seems.